Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up. Well, I actually woke up probably like an hour ago. It's like 11:30 now. I've been in bed like on my phone for like an hour. I always do that. It's been my current routine in this quarantine, which is fine. It's fine to sleep in. I've been kind of off my sleep schedule. I go to bed at like 3 a.m. But as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys a typical day in my life at home. I'm actually in an Airbnb right now. If you haven't seen my other videos or my TikToks, you probably wouldn't know, but I'm quarantining for my parents for 2 weeks because I was in the city and I'm now in my hometown. So I'm staying in an Airbnb and this has been my home for the past week or so. So I'll just show you my life here. So today I'm gonna be doing TikToks. I'm gonna be taking Instagram photos. I'll probably go on a walk with my mom. We walk on opposite sides of the street, so we keep our social distancing still. And yeah, I have a pretty fun day ahead of me, so I'm excited to bring you guys along. First up is breakfast, and I will be having my favorite ever. I know it's not good for you, but I love it so much. And I'm treating myself because we ordered groceries and this is what I got. So literally so good. If you've never had it, get it. I like to have a full water with my breakfast and then I will be making my coffee. Okay, so I'm going to clean my apartment up a little bit before I shower and get ready for the day. I have stuff kind of everywhere. It's hard because I'm living out of a suitcase and I don't have like dressers, and I could move into the dressers, but I just kind of never did. So I need to like clean up my space because it's messy, make my bed, and that's what I'm gonna do. A quick little 5-10 minute tidy.
I should know I've been riding all of your mama's advice. If you tell me how you like it, we can go far. It's so far, so good, yeah.
Okay, so I did my little 10-second tidy. Hung up some hoodies and jackets, made my bed. The main concern was this area, and it's still not great. I have stuff everywhere because I can't put it anywhere. But I'm living out of my suitcase. I put my food here because there's not really room in the kitchen area. That's just cleaning stuff. And then keyboard, I can't even move that. And then this is kitchen. I don't have any storage, so that's why all of my food is over there. Okay, so now that I've eaten, the apartment is clean. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then start getting ready for my day. I'm all out of the shower. I have my robe, my towel, and I'm gonna do my skincare routine for you guys. So first off, I start off with this Ordinary serum. And sometimes I only do this at night, sometimes I do it in the morning. It honestly depends on how I'm feeling. I'm gonna do it in the morning because why not? Next, I'm gonna be using this Bliss Bright Idea under eye cream under my eyes. A little bit. I've had bags under my eyes because my sleep schedule is so off with being home. I find myself staying up super late watching Netflix, which is not good. What are you gonna do about it? You literally can't do anything about it. Well, you can, but I change up my moisturizer. Sometimes I use Glossier, sometimes I use this. I'm gonna use this today. It's just the Bliss Bright Idea Brightening Moisturizer. I love this. I worked with Bliss on a TikTok and they sent all this to me. And I really like it. It's fresh, vitamin C. It smells like oranges, which is great. Next, I'm just gonna use this face mist. I don't even know the brand. Just to freshen up the face, you know. Next, I use this Elida cream. I have eczema on the inside of my eyes. And that's all I do for my morning skincare. I'm gonna let my hair dry a little bit, let my face sit, hang out for a little, and then I'll be getting ready for the day. So at some point every day I like to reply to emails, so that's basically what I've been doing for the past 30 minutes. So just replying to any sponsorship emails or brands or any of that. I'm also, while I'm doing that, watching Ozark, and if you guys have not seen Ozark, make sure you guys watch. It's so good, and I'm on season 3 episode 4. So now that I'm done replying to emails, I'm going to do my makeup. I'm not gonna film that because I actually just posted a video doing my kind of everyday makeup routine, so I'll have that link down below for you guys to check out if you have not watched yet. I do pretty natural makeup. I do like to do a full face though because I am filming TikToks and taking Instagrams and it's a content day. So I pick a few days out of the week to film take photos and all of that. And then on other days, I'll be editing, replying to emails, doing that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and next time I see you, I will have it all on. Okay, so my hair and makeup is all done. It's probably like a complete 180 change from earlier. So I'm going to put on an outfit and then do some TikToks, take some pictures, and show you guys the whole process behind it all. Alright, so I'm filming them right now. I just filmed 2. I'll put them in right here. I don't want to put the audio in because I'm obviously going to get copyrighted for it, but they're pretty funny, so make sure you guys check out my TikTok to see all of my content. I try to make funny stuff even though I don't really know if I'm that funny. I need to take some Instagram photos, but I was really hoping for some sunlight, and it's pretty cloudy outside right now, so I might go do one outside and then save the sunny selfie for hopefully golden hour. I'm hoping the sun will come out. We shall see. It's so windy out right now. I'm taking pictures. I have my tripod right here. I'm literally in the middle of a parking lot. I need to take this shirt off and then take some in this hat. Okay, let's hope I got the shot. I really hope no one is looking out their windows and watching me take those photos, but let's go. Got my glasses back on. So photos done, and now I'm gonna head over to my house, and although I can't see my family right now close up, we're gonna go on a walk. My mom and I, we do this whenever it's nice out, and we just walk on separate sides of the street. So I'm gonna go home, go for a walk with my mom, and see my fam.
Goes off after you. What are you doing? Ta-da!
So I'm home here with my mom. We're staying 6 feet away from each other. So we're gonna go for a walk now. You excited?
Can't wait!
Okay, so I'm home now and I'm making dinner. Literally, in the microwave. I've been having to make dinner because there's no oven or stove at this Airbnb, and so I always boil over the water in the microwave. But my favorite food is Kraft macaroni and cheese. I don't know if you guys know that about me. Literally, I could eat Kraft mac and cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day, but I don't. But since I'm in quarantine, it's kind of a little excuse for me because it's the easiest thing to have. And then I'm just gonna be having some grilled chicken with it that my parents gave me that they had. So grilled chicken and mac and cheese, classic quarantine dinner. And I'm watching Natalie Barbu on the TV while I make my dinner, and then I'm gonna watch an episode of Ozark probably while I eat dinner. I'm obsessed, like actually obsessed. So I just finished eating, I'm watching Ozark, and I'm about to have an M&M cookie sandwich. These are so good, they're my favorite. They're a little bit melty, like not melty, but soft because this freezer that I have, it's just in the top of a mini fridge, so it's not great. It keeps stuff frozen, but like it's just not amazing. So I'm gonna put it on a plate and like eat it with a fork. I wanted to take a break from Ozark. I'll finish it out probably over the next few days. But I saw on Katie Bellotti's Instagram story, she had posted about this YouTuber Nate O'Brien, who talks all about the stock market, how to invest, and all of that stuff. And I'm clueless on all of that, and I'm 22 years old and I should probably know. So I'm watching his videos now. It is midnight, so I should probably go to bed soon, but we know I won't. Like, it's just not gonna happen. I definitely should, and I probably will. I need to fix this sleep schedule because I've been going to bed at like 3 a.m. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little day in my life in quarantine. I don't even know how much footage I got, but I hope it was a good one. I did TikToks, I took Instagrams, I went for a walk, I made food. That's basically what I've been doing. Comment down below what you guys have been doing while you're at home. If you have any things that are fun that you're doing that you think I should be doing, let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.